video, grab on your shoes and your yoga mat, because today's video is not just watch and forget. It is a follow along workout routine. Yes, practice this workout for your abs once in a week, high intensity interval training, and see wonders. It is just 10 minutes and you lose almost 180 to 200 calories if you do as I suggest through the video. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a much requested video on a 10-minute HIIT abs circuit.
But before that, please click the subscribe button to never miss a secret about how I lost 20 kilos of weight healthily with what exercise and what diet. I post my daily meals and daily workout updates on my Instagram account at Techie Mom. Do check me out there. The first exercise in this circuit is jumping jacks, which we are going to do for 30 seconds. Each exercise in this circuit will be timed at 30 seconds, and if you are tired, you are free to take a 10-second break in between, but not more than that. For effective calorie burn and weight loss, try to do this circuit, repeat this circuit thrice. But if you are a beginner, you can stop at 2 times. But remember to repeat this circuit. 30 seconds of jumping jacks to warm you up. The next exercise is bicycle crunches. Again at the 30 seconds, look, keep the form right as I have done it. You can take it slow if you are tired. So the key for all these exercises through any circuit exercises is to regulate your breathing so that you don't get breathless, which means you have to keep on breathing slowly while you do any exercise in this circuit. These exercises target your core muscles, your sides and your ab muscles. The third exercise is high knee jumps, where you place your hand at a fixed point and try to reach that point through your knees. I have also uploaded a beginner ab circuit on my channel, which I link in the description box here. So you can practice both of these or either of these weekly once and see the results. This circuit, completing this circuit one hardly takes 5 minutes, and if you do 2 rounds, it is around 10 minutes. Coming to Russian twist, skip your legs like this and be in this position and try to rotate yourself like you are touching your hips. So this works on your love handles or your side and helps you tone them and muscle them. But remember, for no exercise can guarantee weight loss unless you start eating the right amount of food. A lot of advice on nutrition, on how to eat, and a free diet plan is already available on this channel. The next exercise is mountain climbers. I'm starting it slow, where you lie in this position and start kicking inwards. Practice it with a smile. You are free to take a 10-second break in between, because if you are doing it for the first time, it may happen that you are tired. You can take a 2 to 3 minute break in between each circuit. Like if you finish this circuit and start the next, just take a 2 to 3 minutes. By this time, you might be feeling tired and breathless, but don't stop, keep going. The next exercise is leg raises, where you raise your legs up and high. Try to raise it completely to a 90-degree angle. Set your timer to 30 seconds for each of these exercises. If you work out daily, you can even try to do each of these exercises for 45 seconds. The next exercise, in and out, where you Stay in this position, jump inwards, then outwards, and then straight. Inwards, outwards, and then straight. Practice it at your pace and keep breathing slowly. While I shot this video, this was my third round, and you can see me tired and falling short of breath at times, which is completely normal and natural. Only when we get tired and our heart pumps a lot of blood during any cardiovascular exercise, then only we get healthy. The next exercise is star crunches, where you lie down with your legs and hands apart and try to touch the opposite leg and opposite arm with your hands. Don't give up in the middle. The last exercise, where you might be dead tired and want to quit this but do not quit this, is high knee jumps, high knee runs, which means you have to keep on running at one place and push your knees as high as possible. You can see that I'm also tired because this was my third circuit, but it is important to keep going just for 30 seconds. I'm sure when you will practice this circuit, you will realize the importance of every second in your life. I hope you are going to enjoy this video and practice it today. So if you do this circuit, do tag me on Instagram at Techie Mom. I'll be glad to see you getting fit. Do drop me any questions regarding any workout or any diet in the comments box.